Quality fuel components, including filtration, fuel line assemblies, carburetors, and carburetor kits, are critical to long-term vessel operation. Sierra offers a comprehensive fuel solution that supplies the right combination of performance components for specific marine applications. Driven by industry requirements and fueled by years of expertise, their unique products offer cost-effective solutions to the demanding marine environment. The future of boating depends on better fuel efficiency, enhanced engine performance, and environmental responsibility. Sierra leads the charge in developing products which meet these criteria. Sierra doesn't just offer fuel components, they provide fuel solutions. Today's marine engines work in a demanding environment. Factors like ethanol fuel blends, higher combustion chamber operating temperatures, short gasoline shelf life, and higher horsepower ratings necessitate the use of a high-quality fuel filter. Engineered for today's stern drive and inboard engines, as well as 2-cycle and 4-cycle outboard high and low pressure fuel systems, Sierra filters are the best in the business. Sierra filters are engineered to offer the ultimate in filtration, water separation from the fuel supply, and provide maximum fuel flow. A filter's efficiency is measured by the percentage of dirt that a filter removes while maintaining flow without clogging. Higher efficiency results in a higher percentage of dirt retained by the filter. Micron rating measures the pore size in the filter paper. Its rating relates to the percentage of particles at a given size that a filter can capture. For example, a filter with a 10 micron rating and 90% efficiency will remove 90% of particles that are 10 microns or larger in size. To put that in context, human hair is approximately 70 microns. Efficiency and micron rating work together. A filter may be called 10 micron, but have a very low efficiency, which can cause the engine to clog and severely damage the engine. Your boat needs a filter that will not only protect its engine, but is also more than 90% efficient at removing engine-damaging 10 micron and larger particles without starving the engine for fuel. As the industry leader in 10 micron technology, Sierra filters are independently lab-tested and approved and offer you the widest selection of OEM direct replacement fuel filters in the market. With a full line of cartridge, canister, and inline filters to fit just about every engine in the marine market, chances are we have a filter to protect your boat. Backed by the Sierra industry leading warranty, which pays for parts and labor and incidental damage, you can install a Sierra filter with confidence. Sierra canister fuel filters are designed to be an exact fit and performance replacement to your current OEM canister filter, with an extensive line of 10 micron filters. Sierra canister filters are tested to meet ISO, SAE, and JIS standards. Don't be fooled by other 10 micron filters that don't specify efficiency. Any filter can catch some 10 micron particles, but how many of the engine-damaging particles do they let through? Sierra 10 micron filters are more than 90% efficient at removing dirt and debris from your fuel system while not starving your engine for fuel. The Sierra 18-7866 fuel filter is manufactured with a patent-pending design and is endorsed for use on Yamaha high-pressure direct injection engines. Sierra offers the largest selection of inline and cartridge fuel filters to meet the requirements of your engine. Sierra filters undergo extensive testing in real-world situations, and that's why professional technicians and do-it-yourselfers around the world choose Sierra filters to protect their engine. Tested and approved for ethanol-based fuels, our inline filters meet the demands of today's high-tech, high-performance engines. Water is commonly found in fuel systems and can come from sources like condensation, fuel handling, and humid marine environments. But water-contaminated fuel can lead to severe engine damage. Sierra offers the largest selection of 10 micron ethanol-approved fuel kits, keeping today's high-tech engines running strong. Stainless steel filter heads for salt and brackish water conditions. AquaView above-deck drainable bowl kits make inspection and draining of water easy and convenient. Metal drainable bowls offer the same water draining abilities as their clear bowl counterparts, but are fire-tested and designed specifically for installation below deck. Sierra canister kits come complete with brass plugs to allow easy flow-through or one-sided in-out installation. Bonus filter kits give you an extra spare filter for peace of mind and security. All Sierra filters and brackets are designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, and in many cases, Sierra is the OEM supplier to boat and engine builders worldwide. Today's high-tech engines require precise amounts of fuel, oil, and air to operate at peak performance. Older carbureted engines do not use air filters because their environment was considered clean enough that they didn't need an air filter. However, today's fuel-injected and computer-controlled engines monitor every aspect of engine operation. That clean air is no longer clean enough. Air filters have become more prevalent on today's outboard engines, and Sierra offers OEM quality replacement filters that meet or exceed the OEM for those needs. Sierra outboard and diesel air filters are designed and tested for the marine environment, and just like everything we do, they are backed by the best warranty in the marine business, the Sierra Limited Lifetime Warranty. In 2011, the EPA required all primer bulbs and primer bulb assemblies utilize low permeation components to reduce pollution-causing hydrocarbon permeation through the hose and primer bulb by as much as 85%. In response, Sierra introduced a new EPA-approved primer bulb that exceeded the mandated permeation rate while maintaining Sierra's traditional look, feel, and operational characteristics. Manufactured from a unique FKM material to prevent swelling and sticking even with ethanol fuel, Sierra's primer bulb meets both EPA and CARB standards while providing outstanding warm-cold weather flexibility. All rubber compounds are batch tested before they are shipped. They feature FKM construction, superior UV resistance, double-check valves and stainless steel springs which resist both corrosion and sticking, superior fuel flow, and they are available in 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, and 3/8 inch fuel lines. Shield Series 365 and 368 fuel hose complies with EPA and CARB very low permeation requirements. It meets U.S. Coast Guard Type A1-15 requirements for pleasure boats, SAE J1527 Type A1-15, ISO 7840 Type A1, and NMMA CE Type accepted standards. The Silverado 4000 is a non-fire retardant rubber fuel line with fabric reinforcement that features a PVDF layer to prevent permeation. Designed to meet all EPA and CARB requirements, including SAE J1527, Type B1-15, and ISO standards. It's compatible with all blends of ethanol reformulated fuel. The Silverado 4000 is extremely flexible and kink-resistant in all weather conditions. Utilized in the Sierra fuel line assemblies, the Silverado 4000 is also available in 5/16 inch and 3/8 inch in 300-foot bulk coils, 50-foot and 25-foot Shields rollout cartons, and 10-foot polybags. The fuel system would not be complete without mentioning the age-old fuel-air mixer, the carburetor. Although new carburetors are not available for the majority of applications, Sierra has most of the popular applications covered with their new and remanufactured carburetor program. These new carburetors from Sierra are built to original factory specs and not rebuilt or remanufactured products. Housings are cast from corrosion-resistant aluminum and machined using Sierra's own specialty engineered tooling. Components are anodized and carefully assembled to provide season after season of reliable performance. New Sierra carburetors are available in popular Mercarb 2-barrel and Rochester Quadrajet 4-barrel models. Like all Sierra engine and drive parts, these new carburetors are covered by Sierra's limited lifetime warranty. With Sierra's new carburetors, you can easily replace your old carburetor and once again enjoy the original performance of your boat and motor. Starting with select cores, Sierra's remanufactured carburetors are brought back to exact OEM specifications. Following a thorough cleaning and inspection process, each unit is reassembled utilizing state-of-the-art equipment and advanced techniques. Once reassembled, each unit is flow tested to ensure proper operation out of the box with minimal adjustments required. So when looking for the best remanufactured carburetor in the business, look for the blue Sierra tag. Returning carburetor cores makes it possible to continue Sierra's remanufactured carburetor program. So, we've simplified the process. First, the core charge is built into the price of the carburetor, eliminating multiple charges for the item. Second, to return the old core, simply place the old unit in the box the new remanufactured unit was shipped. Fill out and attach the supplied core tag, and ship to Sierra at the address on the return tag. Once we receive and process the core return, we'll issue a $75 check direct to the returnee listed on the tag. Sierra has the right carburetor kit for the job. In fact, no one offers more kits for more engines than Sierra. Utilizing superior ethanol-resistant materials, matched with unsurpassed quality control, Sierra carburetor kits are designed to get you on the water in a hurry. Backed by our industry-leading warranty, you can be sure Sierra will have the kit you need when you need it, all with the quality and protection you demand. Good fuel management begins with preventive maintenance. If you have an older boat, inspect all fuel lines and replace any old hoses with new hoses that meet current standards. If you have not installed a fuel water separator filter, now is the time. As they say, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Match your fuel purchases to your consumption. Don't buy more fuel than you'll use in 1 or 2 months. Store gasoline in a tightly closed container in a cool, dry place. Use a good quality fuel stabilizer, like eGuard by Sierra, and install a Sierra 10-micron fuel water separating filter. With the right products and some advanced precautions, you could fill up with confidence and enjoy your time on the water. You can find the full line of Sierra's fuel components in the Attachments tab.